So we are off to Moss Motors Open House, just outside of Richmond. It's a big MG and Miata show. So we're going to meet a buddy of mine in Zion Crossroads, finish the way down, and hopefully meet up with some more friends down there. So it should be a big car show kind of thing. A lot of Miatas. Just my kind of place. All right. Keep it time lapse. And we are on our way down the most boring stretch of highway known to man, at least on the East Coast. 64 between Charlottesville and Richmond.
Забирают моих друзей с каждым часом все злей и злей.
Remember I said this is the most boring road in the world? Still on it. So, we made it. Forrest.
It's Dad. Yep.
So, yeah. The lady parking us was super sweet. Are you part of the car show?
And they have open house here. And they have
No, I'm not.
the ones that are in the
Alright,
magazine.
let's check it out. So you guys may remember me bitching him at the last car show. If there weren't any minis there. We got some minis here. Some of my buddies from Virginia Classic should be here, so I'm gonna go walk over to the Miata section and see if I can't find them.
a car over there.
Yeah, it's down the row.
That's my friend Steve.
What's up?
So he's got one of the cleanest Miatas, and I'm absolutely in love with it. It's great. It's way faster than mine.
It's pretty fun. Somebody, I forget who it is, but one of my friends has the theory that under it all first-gen Miatas are red.
It's true.
In large part, it's true. There's so many of them. You look at the outside and then you peek in and find out it's great.
That's what I love about Miatas. I've been here for 30 minutes. I've already made friends. You like Miatas? I like Miatas. Let's be friends. Definitely an interesting kind of car show. I just realized that the average horsepower for all these cars is probably about 100 horsepower. And that's just cool. A whole bunch of old British stuff, Triumphs, MGs, Austin Healey's, some Caterhams, some cool stuff. So, goal for next year. I want to be part of this. I'm gonna make my car cool enough that I'm proud enough to show it off. Sorry about the jitter. Phone thing on there again. So, that's it for today. Had a great time at Moss Motors. Got to hang out with my friend Steve. Gave me a ride in his supercharged Miata, which was amazing. To hang out with my friend Forrest. And all in all, had a great day. Now I'm heading home for the longest drive ever. And remember, make every day an adventure.